In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize password page on Shopify. This walkthrough will guide you through opening the theme editor, loading the password template, adjusting sections and blocks, tweaking global colors and fonts, and saving your work so the page looks polished and on brand. Begin by signing into your Shopify admin and navigating to Online Store, then Themes. Locate the theme that you currently have published and click the Customize button to open the theme editor. This is the workspace where you can visually edit templates and see changes in real time. Take a moment here to confirm you're editing the correct theme, especially if you have multiple theme versions. When the theme editor opens, look for the template selector near the top of the screen. It usually defaults to Homepage. Use that dropdown and choose Password to load the password page template. Loading this template ensures that any changes you make will only affect the page customers see before the store is active. The preview will update to show the password page layout and the available sections. Your password page is composed of sections and blocks, similar to other templates. Typical sections include a header, an email sign-up or access form, and the footer. Click into each section to reveal its blocks and individual settings. In the header section, you can add a logo or adjust alignment. In an email sign-up or access block, you can customize the headline and the call to action text. The footer section often allows you to toggle links or change its layout. To add or remove content, use the Add section control to insert new elements that your theme supports, or select an existing section and choose Remove to delete it. Editing a section gives you options like changing background images or switching layout styles. When adding a background image, pick one that complements your brand and keeps text readable. Consider contrast and file size for faster loading. Editing text is straightforward. Click into the block that contains the main heading, subheading, or description, and type your updated copy. Keep messaging concise and clear, and make sure any instructions for visitors are easy to follow. Preview how the text looks on different screen sizes if your editor provides device previews. For global appearance changes, open Theme Settings, often represented by a paint roller icon. There you can adjust color schemes, select fonts, and set background colors or images that apply to the entire password page. These global settings help maintain a consistent brand look without editing each section individually. When you're satisfied with the updates, click Save in the top right to apply your customizations. It's a good habit to preview the live password page after saving to confirm everything appears as expected. That completes the customization process and leaves you with a polished, branded password page that prepares visitors for your store launch.